In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add captions to your videos using CapCut, an essential skill to make your content more accessible and engaging. So let's get started right away. First things first, open up CapCut on your computer. If you already have a project you're working on, go ahead and open that. Alternatively, create a new project by importing the video you wish to edit. This will be your canvas for adding those all-important captions. Now, let's dive into your video clip. Click on the clip in your timeline to ensure it's active. It's like selecting the area where we'll apply our edits. You wouldn't want to type out your captions and find they've adhered to the wrong video section. So, make sure it's highlighted as our starting point. Next, it's time to roll up our sleeves and add captions. Head over to the text tab you'll find on the top menu of your workspace. You're looking for the option to add text. Choose default text, or simply press the T icon if you like shortcuts. A text box will pop up right on your video preview. This will serve as your caption container. Pretty intuitive, right? Now let's personalize those captions. Click inside your text box and start typing in your desired words. But we're not stopping there. Adjust the font size and color to match the style of your video or enhance readability. You have a toolbox available in the right panel that makes these tweaks easy. Move your text box around within the video preview window, dragging it to the perfect spot so it complements your video rather than overshadowing it. Timing is everything, right? In CapCut, you can control when your captions show up and when they make a quiet exit. Head to the timeline and find the text layer. You can drag the ends of this layer to adjust the duration of your caption. This feature allows you to set the exact moments it appears and disappears in synchronization with your video.
I'll guide you
No
through
guesswork,
each
just precision. Now, for those who own the Pro version of CapCut, there's a nifty feature called Auto Captions. If you want the software to auto-generate subtitles based on your video's audio, navigate to Text, then Auto Captions, and click on Create. The system will handle the heavy lifting, processing the speech from your video. It's a massive time saver, especially for lengthy projects. Once you're happy with your captions, it's time to wrap things up. Save your hard work by clicking Export. You can either continue editing if there's more to do, or save it all to share with the world. That's all there is to it. With these steps, you're well on your way to creating compelling, engaging, and accessible video content. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.